In this tutorial, I will show you how to create these images and apply your own face. First, open your browser and search for bing.com. Click on Images. Click on Create. After, log in with your email. You will see this page and you can type your prompt right here. You also can change social media name and what does he wearing. He is wearing a suit. Here you can write social media name. I wrote SilverStar Graphix, but you can change this to your name. Then click on Create. Click on Image to preview. I want to use this image now. Click on Download.
It's not a game, it's a rich thing.
If you interested in more AI tutorials, subscribe to my channel. I'm sharing new tutorials and prompts daily.